Alright guys, so the coupe's been having some issues. Like the more and more I drive it, it's running worse and worse. Okay, and I found out what the problem was a couple days ago, and I ordered the part to fix it. But let me show you what I found the other day. This just gonna be like a quick video, nothing special. I'm just using my phone. So I popped the hood the other day. I was like, why is this car running so crappy? Alright. Oh my god. Why can't I find it? There it is. So I popped the hood, I was looking around, I'm like, what is the deal? What's going on? I'm kind of scanning around, and I noticed the distributor cap was gapped out like worse than that. Like it was sitting like that. I was like, what in the hell? So basically it was losing spark and just not making any power. I basically had to give it like a lot of gas just to get going. So to fix this issue, man, this thing is super dusty. Been doing a lot of bodywork videos. But I went ahead and ordered a VMS Racing distributor cap. This is for the 96 to 2000. Let's see, it might say on there. It's just an OE style, because I do make like racing styles that take male ends instead of females or something like that. But this is just like an OE style replacement. I'm just gonna basically just replace it with like a OE style cap. You know, I thought if I was gonna replace it, might as well do somewhat of an upgrade. So I'm gonna throw on this VMS Racing cap and see how it looks. Well, here's the cap that's giving me issues. It's just 3 screws. It's like 8mm heads, and there's also like a Phillips in the center, so you can kind of use a Phillips or an 8mm. So the issue is that the ears of the cap broke, like especially this one here, and yeah, it just wasn't tight anymore in the distributor, so it was gapping out and losing spark and just running terrible. It actually looks like a pretty new cap, because when they're old, I've seen them with like, they get a bunch of corrosion and crap on them. But it's pretty, I don't know, pretty fresh looking. Maybe it's just, you know what, they probably just over tightened it. Somebody might have replaced this thing and like over torqued the screws, because they don't have to be very tight. They probably crushed the plastic or something. So yeah, I'm just gonna set this cap here, get the new cap, and switch over the wires one by one so I don't mix them up. Let's take a look at the new VMS Racing distributor cap. Comes with a new gasket with some new hardware and this little black daily thing that I'm not really sure what it's for. Interesting. This one has it too. It's just like this little rubber cap. On the back side, it doesn't seem to go to anything. If you take it off, it just goes all the way through. But if you know what that is, let me know. So yeah, all I'm going to do now is switch over the wires so I don't get mixed up. You know, I don't feel like numbering them or whatever. I'm just going to keep it straightforward and simple. Alright, check this out. You ready? Easy as that. Alright, now that I got the wire switched over, I'm just going to... Where's that gasket go? What the hell? They came with like this O-ring gasket. Oh, okay, it goes on the distributor side of it. So I'm gonna get this old O-ring out, put the new one in there, and reinstall it. The old gasket's like pretty brittle, just like it's like a raw piece of spaghetti. It just breaks apart really easy. All right, let me get this sucker in there and just you know what? I just need another snap. That's all I need. Right, here we go. Okay, now it's installed. This time, well, not, I mean, I made sure not to over tighten the screws. It doesn't have to be tight, it's just freaking plastic with like a sleeve in there. Got the new O-ring, new hardware. It's looking pretty clean. I'm not sure how I feel about the red and the blue. I think I might actually want to get red wires, like red, blue, just too many colors going on. And green, green, blue, red. I don't know. Let me know if I should get different color wires. I could do like red wires, red filter. Because yeah, I mean, I don't know. Maybe I'm just thinking too much into it. Let me know in the comments what kind of color combo or whatever you would like to see in this car. I went ahead and also I went ahead and ordered more vinyl, because I just ordered like a section just to kind of experiment and just do this fender, and it came out so freaking good. I know I keep talking about it, but I really like the way it came out. I ordered enough to do to go ahead and do the hood and do the passenger side fender. So it's gonna be both fenders and the hood. And right now I'm kind of going through different colors. I want to wrap the entire car. I was gonna paint it, but I think I'm actually gonna wrap it. I'm kind of looking through colors, and I'm not really sure in the direction I'm gonna go. Something bright that pops out and makes the carbon fiber like stand out. You know, like certain blues, reds. I don't know. I'm still looking. It's really up in the air what color I'm gonna go with. But yeah, if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.